If you are looking for the best dropshipping niches to sell on Shopify in 2022, we'll cover all the info in this video, so keep watching. At this point, choosing a product based only on enthusiasm or personal interest is the most typical error. This is a viable tactic if your main goal is to be passionate about the product rather than build a profitable company. Choosing a market segment to specialize in and products to sell is the main challenge most new dropshipping business owners confront. And it makes sense. This will probably be the most important decision you ever make for your company, one that will have a lasting impact on whether it succeeds or fails. So what is the best 3 dropshipping niches to sell on Shopify in 2022? First, apparel and footwear. According to data, the global retail market for clothing and shoes is worth $1.5 trillion. By 2026, the amount is anticipated to reach approximately $2 trillion. Online clothing shopping has become widespread, and dropshippers can profit from the global craze. This dropshipping market can be divided into more focused product categories like menswear, women's wear, accessories, and bags. Because you can make your own designs for shirts or purchase many shirt styles from dropshipping suppliers like AliExpress, shirts are a perennially popular dropshipping item. Additionally, you can offer various articles of clothes and footwear according to the season and collaborate with influencers to market your goods to the most suitable clientele. Second, beauty and personal care. The $482 billion beauty market, which includes skin care, cosmetics, hair care, perfumes, and personal care products, is projected to increase by 7.7% year from 2022 to 2030. Although traditional cosmetics account over 85% of the industry, consumers are becoming more aware of vegan, organic, natural, and environmentally friendly cosmetics. In the realm of cosmetics and personal care, 2 categories are particularly well-liked. Skin care items, which made up 33.8% of the market in 2021, are becoming more and more popular as they contain natural components like herbs and plant extracts. Products for hair care that address issues like split ends, hair loss, dandruff, and a dry, itchy scalp. You could market hair products like oils, hair gel, hair serum, shampoo, etc. Third, kitchen and dining. Over the past 5 years, searches for kitchen and dining products have steadily increased. This category has more possibility to expand as more people choose to work from home or spend more time at home in general. The possibility of consumers buying kitchen appliances and gadgets is relatively high, according to recent studies. Portable blenders and electric kettles are 2 examples of popular products in this category that have maintained consumer interest and are thus winners. Additionally, according to Progressive Grocer, customer interest is still high as of mid-2022, with cookware and bakeware emerging as the year's outstanding categories. Fourth, baby niche. In 2026, it is anticipated that the global market for baby care will be worth about $88.72 billion. Baby care product searches have increased over the past year, which shows that demand may increase further in the near future. According to research, individuals are choosing infant products like food, cosmetics, or safety equipment with greater caution. If you intend to dropship baby products, be careful to create a reputable brand that clients can rely on. Fifth, pet supplies niche. Pet supply demand is at its highest point in 5 years. The pet supply market, worth $4.5 billion, includes a wide range of goods, including clothes, food bowls, collars, carriers, and treats. The abundance of trendy, multipurpose accessories available to consumers is the primary growth driver for pet supplies. Additionally, dropshippers have a great chance of gaining loyal customers. Pet owners want more supplies than just a bed and a bowl of water. Consider packaging your products with snacks, bowls, toys, and even clothing if you're thinking about beginning a business selling pet supplies. Sixth, home interiors niche. By 2024, the market for home interiors, furnishings, and decor is expected to be worth more than $202 billion. Through the years, search interest has been consistent, usually marginally peaking in January and July. The number of people has reached an all-time high in 2020. Due to the high commodity nature of home furnishings, small internet sellers have an advantage. This means that products like pillowcases, which are widely available yet no two customers want the same one, are ideal for niche marketing because almost everyone needs them. 7th, office products niche. Everyone needs supplies for their workplace space, regardless of whether you're selling to enterprises or remote workers. Because of this, dropshippers have a ton of opportunities in this $252 billion market. Pens, desk pads, decor, and dry erase markers are just a few examples of fresh items you may readily locate to offer through various dropshipping providers. Back-to-school consumers typically need to purchase a large number of items and prefer to do so in a limited number of transactions. A fantastic method to boost sales could be to package cases with packs of pens, pencils, markers, crayons, erasers, and other materials. Refills are required for some of these fantastic products, such as mechanical pencils, which presents an excellent potential for generating repeat business and fostering brand loyalty. 8. Tools and home improvement niche. The market for housewares reached its high in March 2020, but sales have remained stable ever after lockdowns were lifted. Whether it's installing an automatic soap dispenser in the bathroom or hanging patio lights in the backyard, people are constantly seeking ways to make their homes more cozy and practical. That is what makes it profitable to start a business in this sector. Home goods include everything from toilet seats to ladders, as well as advanced technologies like locks and plugs. The industry is driven by multipurpose tools with a stylish design. Customers want to see things in action before making a purchase because many devices require setup assistance or training. Consider creating a YouTube channel or a social media account to demonstrate your capabilities to users. 9th, phone accessories niche. The demand for phone accessories has been consistent over the past 5 years, rising in the winter and continuing throughout the rest of the year. The market for protective coverings alone is anticipated to reach $35 billion by 2027. Products like screen protectors and phone cases are consistently in demand. Offering phone accessories for sale creates fantastic bundling possibilities. Selling an all-inclusive broadcasting bundle, for instance, complete with tripods, ring lights, green screens, and other gear, could be a wonderful approach to attract clients searching for the quickest, easiest method to acquire the equipment they require. Additionally, employing a print-on-demand program to develop your own designs could make your products more enticing to buyers who value individuality, even though selling goods from third-party providers may work. 10th, car accessories niche. In 2022, the market for automobile accessories is anticipated to grow to $522 billion. Since years, there has been a steady increase in search interest. Numbers have remained high and show prospects of development over the following year since reaching their peak in March 2021. Car accessory buyers will seek proof that your product is functional. A wonderful method to reassure potential customers of the caliber of your goods and increase sales is by including product reviews on your page. This was the best 10 dropshipping niches to sell on Shopify in 2022. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment about what you want to hear from us in the future. That's for now, see you in another video, bye.